Okay, so we're going to be working on part 208-6-46. The entire part is 140 millimeters long. It is 50 millimeters deep, 56 millimeters tall. The thickness all the way around this thing is 12 millimeters, and that hole is a diameter of 26 millimeters. So when we go to Inventor, we're going to go to Metric here, click Standard MMIPT, get started here, start a new sketch. I'm going to click right on that, and I'm going to start sketching right away. So I'm going to sketch the basic side view or front view of this thing, of it, and we're going to sketch, then constrain, then dimension, and put that in there. Okay, basically the right thing. So let's go here. I'm gonna pick this and put that on the origin point there. What we want to do is say that these two things right here are equal to one another. I'm going to go ahead and make this a perpendicular constraint right there. So those are equal. Wait a minute, I thought I made that perpendicular. Oh, no, we don't. I made it equal. So I'm going to do a perpendicular constraint from here to here. I'll do one from here to here. That looks like it's already done. I want to make sure that this one is perpendicular also. This one should be perpendicular. So now what we're going to do is we're going to say that these are equal. This one and this one are equal with one another. And so that should all work out pretty good. We'll put this dimension on here. That was 140. Oops, 140. Let's see, it was 56 tall. 56. This part right here was 12. And that means that this one and this one goes right in here, and it's equal to that also. So, equal to that one. Okay, finish the sketch. Double click the mouse wheel, and I'm going to extrude that out. What did it say was 50 millimeters? Alright. That being said, that means that this radius going across there, if I remember correctly, we know that the distance from D is, since that's 50, that means that radius is 25. So we'll do a fillet right here, change this to 25 millimeters, and I'm going to click on that line, this line, this line, and this line. Finish that sketch. I'm going to go ahead and put a hole, and I'll do it so it is a concentric hole. Click this plane. My concentric reference is that reference right there, and it is 26 millimeters diameter. Apply, and we're done. Alright, so double click that. I'm going to go ahead and click Save As, and that was 206, I think. Was it 206? 208 dash 20. Oops. 8-6-46. Saddle. I'm going to overwrite it. Okay, so I have it done already. Alright. Then we're ready to, let's see, I want to position this differently. Click the home button. I want to make this, let's go this way. I want to make that set that as my home view. I don't know why I changed that, but it did. So now we'll click Save, and we're going to click New, and we're going to come down to, still in Metric, NCMMIDW, and get that started. We'll put the base view in. I don't know what Tyler Wise was talking about. He's crazy. It's not too big for the page. So we'll go here and here. Right click up over here, right click OK. Probably could even get away with doing something different here in that, let's see. Definition. Ooh, undo that. Huh. Whatever. Let's go here. We'll just make it bigger. 2 to 1 ought to be good. Changes the rest of those. I'll leave that one that size. Alright. First thing we're going to do is go back over here to annotate. We will do centerline bisectors on this part and this part. Do them here to here. We'll put centerline bisectors on this part because this shows that these holes go all the way through. and I'll put a center line on this one right here, or center point. We're ready to start dimensioning. So let's start here with this one. We'll dimension this right there as 12. Dimension this one also as 12. I'll put a dimension that goes from this line to this line and make sure that it is 12. And I'm going to go ahead and put a dimension that goes from that line down to here. So that's 56. Alright. What we do want to know then also is what this is right here. And we'll just go ahead and turn our cap lock on and say that's through. And we'll do a dimension on that radius right there. And that's it. So then we go to File, Properties. We're going to change this to the title of the part was a saddle. The company is whatever your company is. And we'll go to Project. Change the description to saddle again. That helps us later on. Apply and close. Double click the mouse wheel. Save it, and I'm going to overwrite if it's already done there. And we're going to not print it. We're going to go to File, go to Export, PDF, and that's what we'll do. And this would be the part that you would submit in Blackboard.